Some of the common problems or objections that we have with the Makeup Dirt and Cleansing Oil is that they don't wear makeup, or they're opposed to using oils on their skin. They're afraid that they're going to cause them to break out. One of the best reasons to use oil as a cleanser is it helps break down oil impurities on your skin. It breaks down your dirt, your sebum, pollution, dust, anything that's in the air that you've been exposed to throughout the day without stripping your skin of excess oil, and it leaves your skin soft and smooth. The biggest difference between the Makeup Dirt and Cleansing Oil and the Activated Charcoal Cleansing Oil is really going to be your skin type. If you have more oily and breakout prone skin, we highly suggest that you use the Activated Charcoal Cleansing Oil. Since your skin is normal with minimal breakouts, the Makeup Dirt and Cleansing Oil is fantastic and can help you in a wide variety of ways. The ingredients in this product are high in omega-6 fatty acids, vitamin E, and antioxidants. Cleansing the skin is very important, and at night we typically recommend dual cleansing with the Makeup Dirt and Cleansing Oil and then followed by the Rosewater Cleanser. This helps make sure that you're going to bed with squeaky clean skin. At nighttime, our skin repairs and rejuvenates itself. We want to make sure that we give it its optimal efficiency to be able to do that with clean skin. Our Rosewater Cleanser is the safety net. It makes sure that all of the grime and dirt and bacteria from the day are gone. It doubles as a hydrating blemish control if you're breakout prone, and the rose water is excellent for reducing redness and inflammation in the skin. One of the most common concerns we get about our Rosewater Cleanser is, are essential oils safe for the skin? And they are, as long as they're used in skin-safe ratios. All of our formulations, all of the essential oils used are for their skin nourishing benefits and properties and not specifically for their scent. And they're also well below skin-safe ratios. One of the other common concerns we get about the Rosewater Cleanser is it doesn't foam. And how does that work for my skin? So most foaming cleansers are full of drying detergents, and they can evict too much oil and too much hydration from your skin. Our Rosewater Cleanser is a non-foaming cleanser, and it helps remove water-based impurities from your skin without stripping your skin of excess oil. The Rosewater Cleanser is great for your skin type, normal and breakout prone. It provides hydrating blemish control. The biggest objection we usually get for our Dead Sea Mud Mask are going to be, why do I need this? One of the main reasons why the Dead Sea Mud Mask is so great for blemish-prone skin is it helps draw out impurities and detoxifies the skin. It can also rehydrate the skin as well, which is very important. What does it actually do? The Dead Sea is really high in minerals, specifically in potassium and magnesium and sodium. It can help increase the circulation to your skin, which will help your cell turnover rate. The Dead Sea Mud Mask is great for somebody with your skin type, normal and breakout prone. It can help reduce the excess oil on your skin, as well as provide a gentle exfoliation a few times a week. After you use your Dead Sea Mud Mask, your skin should appear much more smooth, and there should be less fine lines and wrinkles. It should be much more toned. The Dead Sea Mud Mask offers a gentle exfoliation while you're applying it and removing the mask, so your skin texture should feel more smooth and soft. Some of the common concerns about the Rosemary Toner are, is apple cider vinegar good for your skin? And what does toner actually do? Apple cider vinegar is actually really effective at restoring the pH of your skin and helping balance out your microbiome. But just like with any ingredient, you don't want to use too much of it or use it straight. All of our formulations have been formulated to skin-safe ratios. So traditional toners of the past have been pretty astringent and drying to the skin. Unlike the Rosemary Toner, it's very neutral and balancing. It helps balance out the pH of your skin. When you're cleansing your skin, the pH of your skin gets thrown off and it gets a little too high. And the Rosemary Toner is very effective at bringing it back to its natural pH. And that allows the skin to be better receptive to any other products that you're putting on the skin after. For skin that is normal or balanced and breakout prone, the Rosemary Toner is an excellent addition to your routine. Apple cider vinegar is also known to help fade age spots, tone, and brighten the skin for a more radiant complexion. Some of the most common concerns we hear about the Intense Hydration Facial Mist are, do I really need to use this? And the answer is, we'd love for you to try it. It's wonderful. It's a great addition into your routine. Do you have to use it? No. But it does really help seal in any moisturizer that you're using at the end of your routine. It is also very calming and uplifting, and it deeply nourishes and moisturizes the skin. Another common concern or question that we hear is, how is this sealing in my moisturization? And it's sealing in the hydration of your skin. Most traditional moisturizers and lotions, they're made with waters or hydrosols, and then oils and conditioners or butters, and then there are a bunch of other stuff to keep water and oil together. In our line, we have those separate. It's more adjustable for this skin type, so that way if you need additional hydration, you can saturate your skin with the mist and then apply your moisturizer on top. It allows the moisturizer to sink deeper into the skin without sitting on top of the skin. So part of the reason why it's a little bit different than traditional skincare lines is that you're able to apply this in a way that is unique to you for your skin. If you need additional hydration, i.e. water or the hydrosol into your skin, you're able to mist your skin more and then use the correct amount or the suitable amount for your skin type of moisturizer afterwards. This is very cooling. You can put it in the refrigerator to just give it a little additional of that cooling properties, and helps reduce the redness and inflammation in your skin. For normal breakout-prone skin, the Intense Hydration Mist will hydrate and deeply nourish your skin. So the Intense Hydration Cactus Concentrate is this really beautiful, brilliant, bluish kind of green color, and that color comes from the blue tansy essential oil. So one of the most common questions or problems that we hear about the Intense Hydration Cactus Concentrate is that people don't want to use oils on their skin, and this is the product that we actually recommend for breakout-prone skin. It's a common misconception that oil-based products can lead to additional breakouts, but oil-based products can actually help your skin rebalance your sebum production. Many times we start overproducing oil because we're stripping all of our good oil that our skin naturally produces for us. And when you switch over to an oil-based moisturizer, it just helps create a little bit more balance for you. The Intense Hydration Cactus Concentrate is a pressed serum. It's waterless, so we get a lot of concerns about those that don't want to use oils on their skin as a moisturizer. But have no fear, the Intense Hydration Cactus Concentrate is a very lightweight, hydrating, moisturizing, oil-based moisturizer. One of the main concerns is that it's going to make your skin feel greasy, but a little goes a long way, and paired with the Intense Hydration Facial Mist, it will absorb very quickly into the skin. One of the biggest differences between the Intense Hydration Cactus Concentrate and the Petite Cream Moisturizer is the Cactus Concentrate actually targets more hormonal breakouts in the skin, and it can also help with under eye darkness or discolorations under the skin. It helps even and brighten the skin. And the Petite Cream Moisturizer is a little bit heavier and provides more all-day moisturization. The Intense Hydration Cactus Concentrate is a little expensive. That's one of the common concerns that we get. But unlike most products that are out there on the market, the first ingredient in the Intense Hydration Cactus Concentrate is organic, cold-pressed prickly pear seed oil. And the oil itself comes from the seed of the prickly pear and not the fruit itself. It's a very long extraction process, as well as some of the other exotic ingredients in this product. It's actually priced quite conservatively. For normal breakout-prone skin, the Intense Hydration Cactus Concentrate can help reduce redness and inflammation and additional breakouts in the skin. When you're applying the Cactus Concentrate to your skin, it can feel kind of wet. The oils melt down very, very well. They're very thin. They're very fast absorbing into the skin. It's very cooling and very soothing. It feels very soft on the skin. Another added benefit, if you want to have a little bit more of some redness and inflammation reducing, you can store the Cactus Concentrate in your refrigerator.